Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a forward edge, guys. And if you're trying to find the fuse for the left low beam headlight, the right low beam headlight, or the fuse, guys, for the high beams, stay with us and we'll explain where you can find that. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation forward edge, guys, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Why we take our cars completely apart, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful and we'll be able to teach you to fix your car for free. Now, if you need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there for your convenience. I will go ahead, open the hood. I want to show you something before we continue, guys. Okay, if your headlights, okay, let's say left low beam headlight does not work, guys, it could be a bad bulb, it could be a bad fuse. Same thing applies to the right side. If the high beams on both sides do not work, you have one fuse for that as well. So total, we have 3 fuses for the headlights. Okay, total 3 fuses. We have a fuse box here, but guys, okay, the fuses for the headlights are not there. They're actually inside, and I'll show you where. Okay, let's come here now. I'll show you where exactly. Okay, if we come right here now, I'll show you where you have a fuse box by the pedals, guys. Okay, it's a location that most of you, okay, will not notice unless you worked on the vehicle before. So right here now, okay, you can see this is, guys. Okay, this is the fuse box right here. The first thing that we have right here, okay, is that cover. Okay, this cover will be right here. You need to slide that thing over, open it. Next, you need to remove, you have that cover with the fuse numbers, guys. Okay, right there. This is the cover. Squish on each side and pull it out. Okay, now the fuse, guys, for the low beam on the left side, it's fuse number 7. Fuse number 7. So this fuse, guys, okay, should be a 10 amp fuse, and it's the 7th fuse from top to bottom on the left side. So it's this fuse right here. This fuse. The fuse, guys, for the right low beam headlight, it's fuse number 8. Fuse number 8, guys. So it will be the next 10 amp fuse. This one right here. And now, if guys, okay, your fuses, okay, your high beams are not working, guys, you have one more, okay, one more fuse, and this is for both left and right high beam headlights, guys. Which one is this one? It's actually fuse number 23, guys. Fuse number 23. So looking at it, it will be, okay, after that relay, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth fuse, okay, it should be a 20 amp fuse. 1, 2, 3, 15 amp fuse, excuse me. Fourth fuse right here, guys. Okay, this is the fuse. 15 amp fuse. If you need to replace any of the fuses, guys, just grab it with the fuse puller, okay, and pull it out. Pretty simple. Now, if you're, guys, on the market for good, okay, cheap replacement fuses, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get the whole box for a super good price and fast shipping as well. So consider it, guys, if you need it. And later, all we have to do, push it in, guys. So this is, guys, okay, those are the 3 fuses for your headlights on forward edge first generation, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.